Welcome back to Narwin Chinese. I'm Mia, right now at the supermarket. And today I have a special guest. That's Zhong Li from Yuan Shen Genshin Impact. And today we're gonna talk about tea. Let's get started. So first word, tea in Chinese, cha. Only one character, cha. Let's have a look. What kinds of tea are popular here in China? Alright, first one, black tea. We say 红茶，红茶。这是什么茶？这是红茶。Next one, green tea. We say 绿茶，绿茶。这是什么茶？这是绿茶。Next up, oolong tea. We say 乌龙茶。这是什么茶？这是乌龙茶。And we also have white tea, 白茶，白茶。这是什么茶？这是白茶。For instance, this kind of tea, we say 茶叶, right? It has tea leaves inside the packages. Tea leaves, we say 茶叶，茶叶。Another type, like this, when we have little tea sachets, we say 茶包，茶包。Besides 茶包 and 茶叶, we also have 瓶装茶。这些是瓶装茶。这是绿茶。这是黑乌龙茶。这是乌龙茶。这是茉莉花茶。茉莉花 Jasmine. To ask what kind of tea do you like, we can either say 你喜欢什么茶？你喜欢什么茶？ Or 你喜欢哪种茶？你喜欢哪种茶？钟离，你在做什么？你在喝茶。Drink in Chinese, we say 喝，喝茶，喝红茶，喝绿茶。钟离，你在喝什么茶？这是绿茶。你喜欢绿茶吗？我也很喜欢绿茶。That's all for today's episode. Thanks for watching Narwin Chinese. I'm Mia, signing off with 钟离。好喝吗？ Alright. See you soon in next video. Bye.